Now we are creating the program using the logical NOT operator. Let's understand its working. The NOT operator reverses the result, means true becomes false and false becomes true. So let's enter inside the main function. So I will take one variable int result equals to exclamation mark is used to represent the NOT operator. Inside that I will provide one condition that 200 is greater than 100. Okay. And using the printf function that will help us to display our result. Inside that using %d that will represent the result, comma, result. Okay. Here the functionality is like this. Initially we know that 200 is greater than 100, but outside the bracket there is the not operator used, so true becomes false, so our result is false, that is 0. Let's save it. It's time to execute. All right, we got our answer 0.